Yes, friends. Today we will learn together how to trade Avax. I will teach you this for beginners with a referral code on Binance, with a commission refund code, that is, how to open an account, how to verify this account, how to make the first deposit, and most importantly, how Avax trading is done. We will learn this step by step. Let's get to the video.
How to buy Avax? Firstly, we should create Binance Global account with referral code. Why we need referral code? Because when we are buying crypto, when we are selling, we are paying little commission. If you want commission kickback, commission discount, we need this referral code. This is exchangereferralcodes.com. Languages here. You will get information about cryptocurrency industry and crypto exchange here. So we need Binance Global referral code. I am Binance affiliate. Click this button, banner. On this page, you should see my code here and my name here. In this way, you will understand this code working. With this code, you will get 20% trade rebates, commission discount or kickback, plus up to $600 new user bonus. Fill this form with email or mobile phone. Use your Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. Next step, we should complete KYC approval on Binance Global. Here, you should see verified. You can do this with your driver license, passport, or national ID or residence permit card. So, we completed KYC. How to deposit money for buying Avax? Firstly, I want to show you easy way. Click deposit mobile and desktop same. Select your currency here. Be careful about regulation for cryptocurrency industry in your country. Your country regulation will show you which way, legal way for deposit money to Binance Global. So, buy with USD. Click this button. On this page, select Avax. Click here, for example, 500 USA dollars. You should add here your deposit payment method. GPay, MasterCard, Visa card, Apple Pay, and click Avax. For selling, click Sell button and sell your Avax. So, you want to buy Avax from market. We need stablecoin. Click here. You should select USDC or USDT. For example, 500 USA dollars, and click Buy USDT. Where is market area for Avax? Here, mobile and desktop same. Click Markets. Click Spot. Search console here. Search coin name, Avax. We should find Avax USDT and click Trade here. On this page, chart and information, click Info. You will get information about Avalanche, Avax. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers, and this is current price. For fast buying, select first red one. Here, 1000 USDT. Click Buy Avax. For selling, for example, Avax reach 10 USA dollar. This is not trade advice. Just I'm showing you. And click Sell Avax. Buying and selling. So easy. If you need more information, you should visit exchangereferralcodes.com.
Yes, buying and selling Avax is this easy. But I am leaving the link to Binance Academy below. Especially beginners, please visit the Binance Academy pages. and acquire the valuable information offered for free there. Learn it. What are FOMO and FUD? What is volatility? Learn these. And please be careful against scammers on social media. Make sure you don't miss out on staying connected by following Binance's official social media channels. Thank you for watching this video. With sincere regards, Emre Ata.